Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and in this video we are going to talk about the modularity of the glass class that we have wrote. So remember that three kinds of attributes, hallmarks or you could say trademarks that I have told you in the first video of the introduction of intermediate Python programming tutorial. So which were maintainability, modularity and the scalability. So till now we have not utilized any of this which will make the code too hard to maintain or scale over time. But at least we can make use of modularity with our code. So let's go ahead and get started. So now I'm going to create a new file known as blob.py, and in that file I'm going to save this. I'm going to cut this class blob class, and then I want to paste this in the blob file. Okay, then I will make some changes. I will import that file here and I will make some changes in this file and in that file. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So now I will create a new file known as this will be python blob. So now I will cut this block of code. I don't want here. So now it's showing error. So now I'm going to import random. It's showing error on random, right? So I will import. So the error has gone, right? Okay, so now in our oop.py file, here are the errors. It's showing here, right? So okay, I will go at the top here and I will import from blob import okay. I will be showing that why it's not coming, because okay. So now let's check it again. So let's close this one. From blob import blob, it's not coming. So what I will do is I will rename this all of this. I will go here and I will be deleting this file. Okay, so now I will press here Ctrl Z, save it. So now I will create here a new file and save it as I will give is blob. Okay, so now I will be giving here like I will import this. No, not import. I will cut this. import, right? Okay, so now I will make here some changes. I will give is like from. I think we have to solve the errors first of all. Before that, let's run this program. I want to run this program, and so why can't I import here from? From. Okay, so now let's leave this one. I will make these changes later on. So now before that, let's run this program. Here we have some errors, width and height, because we have given here width equals to 700 and height equals to 600, right? We have given the size of the boundaries. Okay, that's why before it was in this file, right? That's why it was coming like it was not showing error, because we have defined width and height. Here it's showing error because we have not defined width and height. So before that, I want to run this program, and showing width is not defined, right? So I will clear up this one, and now we have some boundary, right? For the, like for example, let's say we have VS Code. These are the boundaries, these edges, as you can see here, these are the boundaries of the VS Code. Like that only, we need to have some boundary. Instead of giving width and height, let's give X boundary, and then Y boundary. Okay, so now I am going to remove this one. This first self dot x is there, so self dot save. So now self dot size is there, and then 8 comma 10 self dot color is there. We have to add two more things, that is self dot x boundary equals x boundary. Then I will give is self dot y boundary y equals y boundary, and then I will copy this self dot x boundary here, self dot y boundary, and here we should give is x, and then after that, here as you can see here below here, if self is there, then width we have given here. So here also the self dot y, you have to give yourself x boundary, and below. So now I have done some changes in the blob.py file. So let's make some changes in the OOP file, where I have given on the in the def main I have given, right, blob we have given green. Beside green, I want to give one thing, that is width and comma height. Here also I am doing the same, comma width height. Okay, so now let's run this program and check whether where it's showing the error. These are working because but we are showing some error right from here. I'm not understanding why it's coming. I will save it and I will close both of this, and now I'm going to open this again. Open file. Open. It's nothing. Then open file. So I have to find which one. OV. This one. This is the error we are getting right from blob import. Like I want to import this blob. Okay, so now I will be checking that here, that is we are getting errors. Okay, I want to close this one and I want to open this folder like this one. So we have this, and then we have OP. We have to open blob.py. Okay, so now it's not showing the error. So now let's run this program. So now it's not showing error here. So let's run this program. It's taking some time. Okay, so now it's working. As you can see here, we are getting all of this right. So I don't want this IDs. So for that I want to remove this print statement, which was this, and what if we run it again? As you can see here, now it's working as it was working before. Okay, so I want to close up this one. We'll close this one also. So now we have another good idea to do is that we can give the size of the blob in the parameter of here. As you can see here, we can give the size of the blob here. For example, let's say 8,10 is there. We can give some size range, and then we can give the range of the size. Then we can it will be easy for us for changing the size of the, like changing the size of the blob. But whenever we want to change the size of the blob, we can change it easily, right? So But I want to do one more thing, that is I want to allow the programmer to modify the speed of the blobs. Like it was moving, I have opened this one where it was. Okay, so it was here. I will run this program again. As you can see here, these are moving, so we can, I wanted to give is that to modify the speed of the blocks. So okay, we'll close this one and this one also. So let's do that. So I will give here is in my blob.py file, we have to give here right only. So I will give size, then size range equals to, we will set here some defaults, right, 8 comma 10, and here I will come down also, and the brackets rand range is here, so I will give here size range, in the brackets I will give is 0 comma size range brackets 1, and we have given like this, right? It's working. So now what I told is I wanted to modify the speed of the blobs. Okay, so let's do that also. So here I will give one more comma and give here some speed, and then range in that, and in the brackets I will give is -1 comma 2 equals some default type. So right, and then we will add some self here. Before def function I will give you self dot speed range, speed self dot speed range equals speed range, and then in the def function also I will, in place of giving -1 comma 2, I will give is, I will copy this one, copy and paste it here. Okay, speed range, the brackets I will give is 1 comma this one also I want to add self dot. Now it will not show the error. Again I want to do the same, self dot, the brackets I will give is 1. Here I have done the mistake, I have to give a 0. So now I will save this one and I will copy this whole one. Okay, so now I have saved this one. So I think I have to give some more, I think, like, okay, I have added this for many lines. So now, but now we don't have any hard-coded lines, any hard-coded things other than these zeros, right? So you may be like, you want to have x boundary or y boundary or something like, but if you want to do that, it's sure that you will get rid of this block, right? You will get rid of this block and you will do something like, you will go here, you will cut this block of code and paste it here, and you will create another some class. You can do like that, but you will do that in another way. Like I will give here not here, tab, and then I will create def and then check underscore bounds, and in the brackets I will give is self, and here. Okay, so now what I will do is in my oop.py file I will add here, like in the, I want to add in the def main or here. Okay, in the def environment what you will do is you can give this block of code, okay, which will give more lines here, but you can give the name of the function def check bounds, right? here it was here. So I will give is def not def. I will give is blob dot check and underscore check bounds. I will give here with some brackets. It will understand by itself. Not this one. Okay, so now let's run this program. Here I'm going to run this program. As you can see here, it's working. Okay, all of them are working. So I think I have to change some more things in this file. Uh, like I've given. Okay, so everything is working fine. So I want to run this again, and I want to show that green I have given, blue, right? So let's run this program. So all of them are working, right? So I want to stop here. So guys, that's all for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.